Before superbikes had names, one machine changed the meaning of speed, reliability, and power forever. This is the Honda CB750. K3, the Honda CB750 K3, is not just a motorcycle. It is a turning point in motorcycling history. Released in the early 1970s, this model carried forward the legacy of the original CB750 while refining performance, comfort, and mechanical reliability. At a time when motorcycles were raw and unpredictable, Honda delivered a machine that felt advanced, balanced, and surprisingly civilized. Design philosophy. The CB750 K3 followed a timeless design approach. Its long fuel tank, chrome-finished exhaust pipes, round headlamp, and wide handlebars created a confident and muscular road presence. The proportions were carefully balanced, giving the bike a solid stance without looking aggressive. Every element was functional, built to last, and visually appealing without unnecessary flair. Engine and performance. At the heart of the CB750 K3 lies a 736C air-cooled inline four-cylinder engine. This power plant delivered smooth acceleration and consistent power across the rev range. Unlike many competitors of its era, the engine felt refined and reliable, capable of long highway rides without strain. The four-cylinder configuration produced a distinctive sound that became iconic in the motorcycling world. Riding experience. The CB750 K3 offered a riding experience that was ahead of its time. Power delivery was smooth, throttle response was predictable, and the bike remained stable even at higher speeds. The seating position allowed comfortable long-distance travel, while the suspension absorbed road imperfections better than most motorcycles of the era. This balance made it suitable for both daily riding and touring. Braking and handling. One of the most revolutionary aspects of the CB750 series was its braking system. The front disc brake provided stronger and more reliable stopping power compared to traditional drum brakes. Handling was stable and confidence-inspiring, with a chassis that felt planted during cornering and cruising alike. Build quality and reliability. Honda engineered the CB750 K3 with durability in mind. High-quality materials, precise assembly, and reliable components made it a motorcycle owners could trust. This reliability helped Honda earn a reputation that reshaped global expectations of Japanese motorcycles. Impact on motorcycling. The Honda CB750 K3 played a major role in defining what a modern motorcycle should be. It proved that power, comfort, and reliability could exist together. This model influenced future superbike designs and pushed manufacturers worldwide to rethink engineering standards. Legacy today. Today, the CB750 K3 is regarded as a classic legend. Collectors admire its originality, riders respect its engineering, and enthusiasts celebrate its role in motorcycle history. It remains a symbol of innovation and the moment when motorcycling entered a new era. Closing. In the early 1970s, one motorcycle redefined what riders could expect from a machine. Power, precision, and dependability, all in one. This is the story of the Honda CB750 K3. Every angle of the CB750 K3 speaks of careful craftsmanship. Its smooth fuel tank, rounded headlamp, and chrome-accented exhaust combine elegance with function. The spoked wheels, classic fenders, and wide handlebars give it both a bold presence and a balanced stance. Unlike many bikes of its era, the CB750 K3's design wasn't just about looks. Every curve, angle, and component was carefully planned to enhance aerodynamics, comfort, and control. Engine and powertrain. The heart of the CB750 K3 is its 736cc inline-four engine, a marvel of smooth performance. Its four cylinders deliver power evenly across the rev range, making acceleration effortless yet thrilling. The sound of the engine, a crisp, distinctive hum, quickly became a signature of Honda's engineering. Riders appreciated not only the raw performance but also the consistency and reliability, allowing for long rides without mechanical worries. Riding dynamics. The CB750 K3 offers a refined and engaging ride. Its seating position balances comfort and control, making it equally suitable for city streets, highways, and winding roads. The suspension absorbs bumps with surprising efficiency, keeping the rider stable and confident. Whether cruising at moderate speed or pushing the limits, the bike responds predictably and naturally. Braking and handling. Honda introduced front disc Brakes with the CB750 series, a revolutionary step at the time. This provided precise, consistent stopping power that improved safety and rider confidence. Coupled with a well-tuned chassis, the bike handles corners and curves with remarkable stability. Riders could trust that the CB750 K3 would respond smoothly in any situation. Craftsmanship and durability. Every CB750 K3 was built to last. Honda's attention to detail meant that engine components, suspension parts, and bodywork were made with high-quality materials and precise engineering. This level of durability made it stand out from competitors, and it's a major reason why the CB750 K3 earned a legendary reputation worldwide. Legacy and influence. The CB750 K3 left an indelible mark on motorcycle history. It redefined what a modern bike could be, influencing design, performance standards, and expectations for decades. Collectors, enthusiasts, and riders continue to admire the K3 not just for its looks or power, but for its role in transforming the motorcycling industry. Closing. The Honda CB750 K3 is more than a motorcycle. It's a milestone in engineering and design. Every ride is a reminder of the era when motorcycles evolved from simple machines into legends, combining beauty, performance, and dependability in one unforgettable package. Detailed technical insight. Engine 736C, 4-cylinder air-cooled inline-four configuration. Smooth linear power. Thanks for watching.